Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Today again we are shipping this beautiful food truck. It is a 14-foot kitchen. Check out the beautiful wrap on it. As we get closer, you will see that's how you fill water. Of course, the service window, which is self-closing as always. From inside they would lift up and it'll close by itself. Required by code. Behind is the door, which has a screen as well. You can see the screen detaches. If you want to have a little fresh breeze going on, that's the generator. The generator is inside. Prevents it from being stolen and whatnot. That is the propane tank, underbelly tank. That's a shore power connection. Truck's fairly new. I think it has 30,000 miles on it, something like that. Let's go inside. Right up here is the ABC fire extinguisher. Apologize for that's the protective film for the aluminum diamond plate. It'll be removed before delivery. Right here is the breaker box. Again, I'm a little early in the video, so breaker box has not been labeled yet, but it will be. Lights, both inside, outside, LED. That's the fan, the hood fan. Fryer, 4-burner stove, griddle. Customer requested a ice chest, and big part of their menu is sodas, very special artisan sodas. So they would like the merchandiser refrigerator to be here, so the customers can actually see that. Proofer, which will hold meats, breakfast burritos, that kind of stuff warm. Refrigerator. And of course that is the tank, freshwater tank, little work table, hand wash sink, 3-compartment sink, towel, soap dispensers. This truck is completely stainless steel. Oh, I forgot to show the AC as well. There's of course the AC right there. And of course there are the lights. All our lights are LED, both inside and outside. You would see between the walls there are these trims that protect it from getting any grease or moisture from getting inside the walls. Talking about being inside the walls, it is 1 inch of insulation, 9/16 inch plywood, then the stainless steel of course. What is not inside the walls is wiring. You can see all our wiring are in conduits. This is to prevent the wire from chafing and whatnot over time. And every piece of equipment here is protected by their own breakers. Brings us to the end of the tour of this beautiful food truck. If you have any questions, please contact us through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.